Coming up the stairs. Hey, pistol duels, pistol duels.
Fucking hell. Pistol duels, pistol.
Is that you on the other side of the stairs? I'm gonna kill you if you don't say anything.
We're
I'm
on the
killing
second
you.
floor bathroom.
Pistol duels, come on!
Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Whoa, my God.
Ah, fuck you!
You died?
Wait, 2 people. Hold on.
All you had to do was be cool, bro.
1 down.
Where are you, Reggie?
Third floor. Third floor.
What's
Office. There's 2 people. Don't shoot each other. I'm peeking. Ah! He's in the office.
Alright. I'm running up metal.
Coming back down. I have a light bleed. He's in the office trying to peek, looking at me towards gate 3. So if you can get him from behind.
I see your gun. This is me. So he's moving. He opened a door.
He's not in the office anymore?
Alright, I'm sorry, Liz.
What the fuck?
Dead. He's dead. He's dead.
He's down.
Hell yeah.
That's us. That's just us then, right?
Let me see if I touched him. Was it me? Am I the heat?